So I've got a problem here, and I'm assuming since you clicked on the video, you have this similar problem. I had a radiator leak on me, so I had to swap it out with a new radiator. Now that one's leaking. Well, I need to get it out by first opening the hood. So, go to open the hood and yeah, it won't open. We've pulled the hood latch as hard as we can. We've done a lot under here, and we have a few other ideas that are going to work, but some construction and deconstruction is going to take place. So, yeah, here we go.
So this is the RSX, and this is the axis that we don't have to the latch, but we have a sample to look at. Let's look at.
Yeah, with that being an 02 RSX and this being an 01 Honda Civic, everything's pretty much the same besides this hood latch doesn't have a sensor hooked up to it. But, let me take this. So with this being exactly the same, it's in the latched position right now. That right there is what holds the actual hood latch in place. That lever extends downward past this spring. And if you take this, some sort of like hardwired tool, and you pull back on that spring down there, oh, boom, it gets released. It's not this big spring. Maybe I can get a view through here. Yeah, it's that secondary spring that you see right there. That is what we need to unlatch to hopefully get the RSX hood to pop. So here, hold up, let me show you what he just did. So that's for, you know, these two tools are part of a you locked your keys in your car, we need to get it open set. Little airbag, and I had like no access, he showed you before. Now, we can at least stick our hands in there, or at least some tools to get in and hit the hood latch. But the one thing that we didn't show you on the Civic is, there is the actual latch for the hood right there that is in, or the U-hook that's attached to the hood is in the latch. You have to get that on this side of the latch, not on this side, because you can't hit that other trigger if you put the piece of metal over that. So it's got to go in on an angle, down, and then we can pull it so that maybe we get this to work.
Uh-oh. There's a lot of arms.
Yeah. So I didn't want to bore you with the details of how we were trying different plan A, B, C's, and Z's. But the best thing to use was like a little inspection camera. I know I got this one off of a tool truck for like $100 on Amazon. It's like 60 or 70. But we were able to fish this in there so we can get some eyes. Here, let me see it. And it connects to the phone, you know, so I was able to see. I know there's nothing on there now, but as you can see, it is now popped. I'm gonna release the hood and show you exactly kind of how we did it. Just twist it.
Twist it?
Yeah. Yeah, because that's all I did. So as you can see, it's applying pressure against the secondary hood latch, and there's a little lever down there that it is tripping every time he twists. You can almost see that little spring. Yep, there it is. Stay right there, Dad. That little lever that smaller spring connects to, your little tool needs to go in between exactly where the screwdriver is. And all I did was a little twist motion, not pulled or anything, and I was able to get it to pop. So doing it this way with this little tool here, we did have to apply, like two little bends to it, but that'll save you money here, $150, and it'll save you money there, $200, for having to destroy either one of them to actually get this hood latch popped.
And the links will be down in the description if you want to just buy the whole kit just to get this tool or make your own.
It's got to be stiff wire though if you're going to be making your own.
This is some steel wire. It took us a little bit to get these bends in it.
But as you can see, the two bends that we had to make, the one was just to clear actually that part so we could get it on this side and not go through the loop and come out on this end. And then that little bend right here was to actually get in there, snake it, and trip that smaller lever. But that is, I would say, the #1 way to get this unlatched. The #1.
This unloosening the latch, if you can, helped to prop more hood space, right?
Yeah, because there's maybe...
Because it pulls.
There's maybe a fist's worth of, like, room underneath the hood. And practically no room.
We almost got to the point of taking just a...
Like a hot butter knife.
Iron and melting this whole section out.
Yeah, so that we could have some more access, because if...
Yeah, the hardest part is the access here.
Damn, that was a bitch.
But just stick with it. Make yourself a tool like this.
You got to get in front of that spring.
Or, yeah, in between the spring. In between that spring.
Yep, right there. Or else it's not popping. You're not going to...
Yeah, you're not going to be able to get on this side. Maybe, no.
If you were to put a hook at the end of this, like, that goes that way, you might be able to do it. But
yeah, you might
get between the spring and just a little twist to hit it that way, knock that hood latch. And it was no effort when I twisted. It was just a little pop, and it loosened. Truly, I wasn't even trying to pop it, and it just popped itself. So, there we go.